we are organizing study tours in Denmark, and we're also online organizing virtual events. Yes. During the Golden Week, if everything works out, if there's no extra restrictions, we will spend just a few days in Copenhagen, but most of the time on a small island off Zealand, 1.5 hours away from Copenhagen. And we're going to stay in a high school, and you're also going to try homestay with the locals. But on the 20th, I'll be biking around in Copenhagen, showing you some of the interesting spots in Copenhagen live. And you can ask questions live and ask me to stop or do something, eat a hot dog or talk to people like they did yesterday. This in 1 week, coming Saturday, our friend Piero from Italy, he'll be cooking, and you can cook along with him. We designed this recipe especially so that you, people in Japan, can buy the same products that we do, and we can cook simultaneously. And you can also chat to him. You can ask him any question, not only about the food.
じゃあ一つ目の質問、デンマークの学校では ICT の利用は活発ですか？どんなふうに利用しているかという質問をいただきました。
Here's a smart board. It's a projector on a white screen, and it's touch sensitive. So you can use it as a regular blackboard. You can draw on it, but you can also show any kind of content from the Windows computer down here. And the pupils are required to have their own digital device, usually a laptop or a tablet, from around the 6th grade, around the 6th or 7th grade. They're expected to bring that to school every day. Only children whose parents can't afford it, or children who have special disabilities like a dyslexia, they will be provided with a laptop. But otherwise, you should bring your own and buy your own. So the children will learn how to use Word, and they will also learn about Excel a little bit in the math lessons, to use it to do some calculations, and also PowerPoint for presentations, because they'll learn how to make a presentation and present it in front of the class. A lot of the exercises are actually online, so the pupils will log on to their personal account online and do the exercises there. In most cases, they still get photocopies and textbooks, but there's also a lot online.
クラス討議の時間が、ありますか？クラス討議なんていうんだね、話し合いというかね。で、日本の道徳のような時間はありますかと。
And actually, I watched a video on YouTube from a Japanese school where they had this kind of, there was this dilemma that they were presented with, and I've never experienced that in Danish schools, not like in a formal way as part of the curriculum. Do you have any subjects in Japanese schools where the teacher will discuss? What about social science or history, religion maybe?
私がね知っている限りはそれに挑戦しようとしている先生たちは少なからずいる感じ。まだでもすごく試行錯誤をしていると感じます。それはねやっぱり日本のなんていうのかな、教育マニュアルみたいのが大きく影響していると思います。この時間ではこれを教えなければいけない、ここまでやらなければいけないってものすごく細かく決まっていて、自分のオリジナルの授業とか自分のオリジナルを提供するんじゃなくて他と揃えなければいけない、先生方も一緒のものをやらなければいけない、横並べれなければいけないって意識がすごく強いんじゃないかなって感じます。
Explain about the curriculum in Denmark. We do have a curriculum, but within each subject, it's not completely locked, so the teacher can approach the learning process in different ways. But yes, they do have freedom. Mm-hmm. Actually, one of the let's say the learning tools or the tools as a teacher is to engage the pupils right away when you want to teach them something new. And I think that's an approach that is rather different in Danish education and what I've seen in Japan. Because in Japan, most times the teacher will start a lecture, and you have to listen and maybe write notes for a very long time until you get to do some exercises. You should try to capture the pupils right away. So it's the best way to open a new topic is actually to start with like an open discussion and ask them, what do you already know about this topic? What do you know? Can we gather your knowledge and kind of make a what is it called? A mind map, like write on the blackboard all the words or the little things that they already know, so that we have a kind of a common understanding of what we already know, and then we start to build from there. So this is a way to make the pupils think and think along and be engaged in the learning.